Allie was a player manager for us this year on the state roster.
Go, girl.
Sophomore Haley Wagner.
You have to cover like 6 events.
One of the key players that helped us in our week of preparation to get to the state tournament.
Get me in there at the end.
Sophomore Emma Shore.
She ain't short.
She was a reserve setter for us and also a really helpful person on our practices leading up to the state tournament.
Yeah. Get that booty.
Freshman Anna Sykes. Anna was a defensive specialist on the bench, and she was our insurance policy. If we ever got in trouble, we called on her. Junior Maggie Jacobson.
She got all the black belts.
Maggie was running half of our right side combination, and she had an awesome state tournament in both hitting and blocking for us. Sophomore JoJo Riggs. JoJo was the other half of that dynamic duo on the right side. She had the distinction of having the kill that clinched the state title for us. Michaela Alexander. Michaela is a junior DS for us. She was honorable mention All Sunflower League selection this year. Sophomore Abby Gart.
There's one dude in the shot, like on the floor. It's totally weird.
Abby Gart was on the left outside for us. She was a second team All Sunflower League selection for us this year. Sophomore Emily Blake. Emily was the other left outside for us. She was also a second team All Sunflower League selection. Junior Carly Bangman. Carly was an automatic little hitter for us this year. She was a first team All Sunflower League selection. Junior Lindsay Benson. Lindsay is the best setter in the state of Kansas. She's a first team All Sunflower League selection. She was All-State Tournament team selection. And she is a second team All-State selection. Junior Kelly Kalinowski. Kelly was Player of the Year at the Sunflower League. She was All-State Tournament selection, and she earned a spot on the Wall of Fame by being a first team All-Kansas All-State player. The last player is junior Marissa Round. Marissa was first team All-Sunflower, All-State Tournament, first team All-State, and this year Marissa was named the Kansas 6A State Player of the Year.